This morning, when I came to the beach at 5:30 to begin my 90 minutes walk, the awesome beauty of the super moon that going down was there. Entire moonlight was upon the sea. I took some wonderful pictures. And the previous day evening at 5:30 from my home I could see the same moon coming from the eastern sky. Now it went down from the western sky here. The moon, what they call these days super moon. Thank God that I had the privilege of witnessing this awesomely this morning clearly. The moon is rotating around the planet Earth or orbiting around the planet Earth and going along with the planet Earth as the planet Earth orbits around the sun. Never leaves the planet Earth. The moon does not have light of its own. It is reflection of the sunlight that comes upon the moon, that comes to the planet Earth in the night. Ladies and gentlemen, there are terrestrial signs continuously showcasing significant events and times, but these astrologers that we have today is not really correct people. They are half-baked lunatics. They don't fathom the universe or the science of the universe. We have witnessed the black moons, now these days the supermoon. What is significant is that how the whole universe is an awesome organism. I witnessed today as the moon sets down, the aggressiveness of the waves calm down because it is connected to gravitation. And as the moon went down, the entire sea became calm. That's why it is a organism. The heavenly atmosphere is organism, like our human body. Our human body is also organism. We need each of the component, however small is the organ is. We have 248 organs, 600 muscles, 206 bones. Irrespective of the shape and the size of these organs, bones and muscles, the body becomes an organism and needs. In the same way, in our lives, we need to understand the support mechanism we receive, like the moon gives to the planet Earth and helps the balancing many significant ecosystem regulations and rules. In the same way that we need to reflect that you and I need to be a part of the ecosystem as a member of the organism to touch lives, awaken them, and give meaning and enrichment to the life all the time.